Mobile Home Park, right? Hurricane Creek Mobile Home Park. Copy that. Inside UCT, you copy that? It's just west of my location because I'm not able to see anything from here. But like I said, I'm out in the front yard right now, and we got some clouds and things moving. Everything has moved past me. Okay. Yeah, Randy, I heard you too. Thanks, Mike. Appreciate it. Mike's right down there on top of Hurricane Creek Mobile Home Park, though. Randy Fine called him. Anyone monitoring this, Randy, can you see the radar from where you are? It sounds like that thing's moving into southwest Little Rock.
I think it is southwest Little Rock. That's what they're looking at. It's going towards.
Yeah, if any other weather in any other parts of the state besides right here in central Arkansas? They're going to be southwest Little Rock. It's all contained right there.
HVA.
And, Danny, go ahead.
Right, frequency, it was, they think something might have touched down over by where the Everett car dealership is. Don't know exactly what kind of damage was done, but it's in that area, and it went up through around Spring Hill. Where I'm at, we're okay. We still have power and everything. It apparently has gone around us, but just want to get this report.
They didn't get too far from you there. Okay, thanks, Danny. We're aware of the Hurricane Creek Exchange and Hurricane Creek Mobile Home Park also. Thanks. K5NT.
KC5HVA.
Go ahead. You're not holding the repeater. You're more white noise than you are anything.
I was saying, according to Kelly, you're saying that there's a rain rat tornado out on baseline right now.
Yeah, that's what we've been watching on radar. That's it. You talk to somebody out there, Bernie, that's seen it?
Come on, any information that I have, Ron.
Okay, K5NT.
K5MAN.
Great, K5NT. W5MAN, W5MAN. Go ahead, Dan.
Righty. I was just checking in with you guys, and I'm up here in Conway. I just turned on the news and saw that there's tornadoes heading that way, so I figured I'd just check in and see what was going on.
All right. Yeah, we've had some damage down in the Bryant area and down in the Lonsdale area. We don't know exactly what in Lonsdale, but they're working that. K5NT with the AR link system, Skywarn emergency net.
Sorry about that, Ron. Didn't mean to jump in on the net there. I'll stand by W5MAN.
No problem, man. No problem. K5NT.
MP, K5RX.
K5NT, go ahead.
A pause in the action. I didn't know what reports you had. I've been listening to Brian. I turned this down for a minute. They've got several houses damaged on Spring Hill Road, and they do have minor injuries over there.
Don't you copy that, Randy?
Yeah, Roger. K5RD, Spring Hill Road. That's correct. They do have a natural gas leak. K5RD.
This is 75 SRB. I'm now your net control. This is Sam. Ron has lost power temporarily. This is N5 SRB.
N5 SRV, this is A5AR at Otter Creek.
5AR, go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir, I'm at Otter Creek. I'm watching the sky. I'm here.
Well, let us know if you found out anything. Thanks a lot, N5 SRB.
5AR.
N5 SRB, A5TA, Brian. Hey, N5 SRB, go ahead, Tim.
Spring Hill area. Power's off in a significant area between Alcoa Road and about halfway between Spring Hill Road and Highway 183, extending out Spring Hill for approximately a mile and a half, maybe further. There's debris, but it seems to be light debris in the road and on the roadways and the sides of the road. And other than that, it looks like the sky is clear. I did not go down to the Hurricane Lake area. It looked like they had more than enough spectators and emergency vehicles.
Brother lives around 4526 Spring Hill. They left because they saw the storm coming, and there's debris in the road, uprooted trees. He couldn't even get back home. I don't know what they're going to do, but might look in that area if you wanted to. N5SRB.
Affirmative, Sam. I'll swing over that way if I can, and will advise as I know more. 85TA.
N5SRB, Cape Lawrenceville.
SRB.
Just let you know, approximately 20 to 25 houses off Spring Hill Road are severely damaged. According to Bryant PD, 20 to 25 houses approximately are severely damaged on Spring Hill. Cape Lawrenceville.
N5SRB.
Ken was at Spring Hill Road. Yeah, that's correct. ECAUHS link system off.
N5SRB, 85TA.
Wait, I don't know where Sam is, 85RW.
85TA, N5SRB. Did you call me?
I did, Sam. Spring Hill Road is blocked at North Lake Road, approximately 5700 Spring Hill Road is where the blockage is. They're turning people back, and no traffic from there further out or from further out in via that conduit. 85TA.
That tells me what I need to know. Thank you so much, TM N5SRB.
85TA. Sam, as a side note, Alltel cellular service is down in the area, at least temporarily, or mine is. I can't speak to singular. Again, Alltel cell service is down. 85TA.
We'll note that N5SRB.
So, this is
Rob, KC5ZQD, N5SRB.
Contact 85TA directly.
And Rob, TM Rob is calling you, N5SRB. I'll stand by.
And Rob, 85TA. You leave me somewhere right now? No, sir, I'm going to head back to the house myself. There's more than enough traffic out here right now. I don't know that there's any further benefit other than to know when they open up Spring Hill Road, and there is a ton of traffic on it right now. I guess all of it's spectators or people returning home. But anyway, 85TA. Yeah, thank you, team. I thought I'd go over to Walmart and see how they'll do. You can have me by. Catch the guys, take your bed.
HVA. Hey, Nicky, can you hear me? This is Danny, KC5HVA.
5HVA, N5SRB. Go ahead, sir.
Danny, out here in Bryant, the Bryant police are going to be shutting down Highway 5 around Hill Road. They're asking people to stay away from the area. They're getting a lot of traffic through there. If any way they can relay that on Channel 4, that'd be great.
Sure, Randy, you're listening there. Now, what road is that again, Danny?
The Spring Hill area, pretty much around Highway 5, around through there. They're going to be shutting Spring Hill down around Hilltop. They will be shutting that down.
Come on, Danny, we'll relay that also to 9-4. N5SRB.
5HVA.
Oh, maybe he's testing me to see how I'm going to do so he'll know whether to keep me on or not. What's the hell?
85RW from KE5DK, baby.
K2HSA, keep me on the boundary call.
We appreciate it. We'll be standing by if you need anything, give us a call. N5SRB.
SRB 85RW. From the National Weather Service towards Sherwood out there. If we got any spotters out in that area, I want to give you a heads up. If you give us any reports, if you see anything, 85RW.
Randy, and I think it's coming my direction, but of course, I don't know for sure. N5SRB.
Kilo Charlie 5 Bravo Bravo Delta KC5 BBD Ernie Sherwood. If you need me, I'm here.
5 BBD, thanks a lot. N5SRB.
85TA, net control.
Yeah, go ahead. N5SRB.
Just pulled over at Spring Hill Crossing, and there is at least one mobile home on fire in the Hurricane Lake trailer park. Repeat, at least one. I could not see very well from where I was at, but I could see one blaze going on. 85TA.
Thanks a lot, Tim. N5SRB. 5SRB, K5DEK. N5SRB, K5DEK. Just going to pass along the sirens are going off in BBD now. Kevin, thanks a lot, N5SRB. 85ELU from K5DEK. N5SRB. I'll try one more time. I didn't catch who that was. 5 November Papa back on battery power. N5SRB. Go ahead. I will. Be careful. Don't run off those, Sam, because I don't know how strong this battery is. 5SRB. Boy, we're without power over here in my house. I went out to the garage and got my battery and the battery operated TV. You know, when I needed them, they were in the garage. Do we have anybody out in the Jacksonville, Cabot area out there? I think I heard K5DUK on there. Anyone else out in that area? Is that where it is now? Somebody? K5ELU to net control. Go ahead, Arlen. ELU. Go ahead, Arlen. K5NP. That's like the storm is just, there were some reports of possible thermal on the ground in the Gravel Ridge area around Jacksonville, Cato. We've got heavy lightning here right now. That's about all I've got to report at this time. Sure. All right. With a report. Well, thanks for that information. Someone tell me if I'm making the repeater okay on 5 watts, K5NP. Hey, Roger, make that fine. KB5TP, you're making it. With a report. Arlen, would you repeat your traffic? K5ELU, would you repeat your traffic?
N5QLC with a report.
Hey, Joe, go ahead.
Do have some damage over here in the Sherwood area, the Hidden Creek area, Loop Road, Highway 107 area. Sherwood Fire and PD are en route. There are some damaged houses in that area to report.
Well, appreciate that, Joe. Randy, did you copy that? That's Loop Road. What was the other road?
Road off of Highway 107, Kellogg Road area.
Roger, copy that. 85RW.
K09 Island.
Station there,